Hello, welcome to Indian Techies. Today, our topic is about selection statement, which is one of the statement under control statements. In our previous session, we have discussed about conditional or branching statement, types of if statements. Now, we are going to see about selection statement. So, as I told you previously, a selection statement is a statement which is used whenever we are having multiple options, multiple choices. Whatever the choice that we select, only that should be executed. In background, choices code will be written for all the options, right? Now, under selection statement, we are having only one method, that is switch. Now, let us see the syntax of a switch statement. The syntax is switch. Here, you will be writing one choice variable. Remember, this choice variable must be integer or character only. I will tell you what is the reason later. Now, open the switch statement. Inside switch statement, in small letters, you should write the word called as case. All small letters case. Give one space, you have to write one constant. This constant is nothing but your choice, your input that you are going to give. Then keep colon. Remember, it is not semicolon, it is normal colon. And whatever the execution that you want to do statements, that statement, and you have to terminate with break. You have to write a statement called as a break statement. Right? Now, each case is each choice, one choice. So this constant is the input given by the user. What are all the possible inputs are there will be one constant, right? If you select this choice, it goes inside this and execute all the lines and break. So why and what is the purpose of break? Break statement terminates the switch and comes out of the switch statement. Remember this point. Okay? Suppose after this break you can write another case. Another constant means your choice, colon, some statements, and again break. Each case is each choice. Like that, how many cases you want, you can write that many cases. Now, at the last, you will be having one thing called as default. You should use the all small letters called as default. Right? So, default and write the statements under default. Since default is the last one, you don't require any break statement. Close switch. Right? Now, this choice is your input. So, whatever the input that you give, it first matches with this constant. Suppose if your input and this constant both are matching, compiler goes into this, executes all the lines and break. Means it comes out of the switch statement so that remaining cases cannot be executed. Suppose your constant, your choice is not matching with first case, then it will check with second constant. It will not go inside and it will go to the second constant. If this is matching, it executes this block and comes out of the break. Suppose the choice that you have given as an input does not match with any case constant, then it directly goes to default. So when default will come, whenever your selected choice is not available, then we will give a default. Since default is in the last, you no need to have break. Right? Now, one more important thing is, there is no order that we should write all the cases in particular order, or default should be in last. You can keep them in any order, any sequence. Right? If first default is kept, if this default is kept first, you must keep break. Okay? So this is how a switch statement works. Now we will see an example program using this switch statement. Okay. As I told you that, now we will see an example program. The program is to find or to perform addition or subtraction or multiplication or division between any two numbers. Previously what we have done, if you want to perform addition, we used to write a separate program, for the subtraction separate, multiplication separate, for division separate. Now all together we will write in one program only. We will enter any two values. After entering the two values, the user has to select what operation he has to perform between those two values. I mean addition or subtraction, multiplication or division. Based upon his selection, the result should be produced. Right? This is our program. Now let us see. Hash include stdio.h as usual. Next, void main. So since I have to perform between three values, that is a, b, c, that is c equal to a plus b or c equal to a minus b. What is that? For that a, b, c I have declared. Next, the user also has to give input of choice. For that purpose I am giving choice. Here I am expecting 1 means addition, the choice 2 means subtraction, 3 means multiplication and 4 means division. So since 1, 2, 3, 4 are numbers, your choice, I have declared ch also as an integer. First of all, take two values as an input, that is printf enter two values. Next, scanf, since two are integers, percentile d, ampersand a comma ampersand b. Now I have taken input of two numbers. Fine. Next, since you are writing the program, you know that 1 means addition, 2 means this, 3 means that. But it should be able to understand for every user who executes the program. Means on the screen, the user should get a display, that is 1 means addition, 2 means subtraction. Such type of display has to be done. That's why let us display it on the screen for user comfortability. That is printf. So 1 means what? Addition. Here we can use another specific sequence character called as \n. \n means on the output screen the cursor moves to the next line. It is equal to enter key. Next, 2 means subtraction, \n. 3 means multiplication. In the next line, since I am continuing, \n. 4 means division. So close double quotes. This is my printf statement. So how it displays? First it displays add. In the next screen, in the next line it displays sub, mul, division. From this the user has to enter his choice. So you should ask user to enter the choice also. That is printf enter your choice. So to take choice, I am writing scanf percentile d ampersand ch. Now the user has entered his choice, 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or some other number, whatever it may be. This choice, whatever the user has entered, we have to send it to the switch statement. That is, I am starting the switch. Here choice variable kada. Now what is the choice variable? ch, which we have taken input. Now I have taken ch and send it to switch statement. Now case, what is my first constant? I have kept 1. So the user has to enter 1 colon. If the enter choice, if the user enters 1, it goes to case 1. What we have to do case 1? We should perform addition and printf percentile d c. Since printing is completed, I am going for break. This is case 1. Next, case 2. What is case 2? C is equal to a minus b, as it is subtraction. So printf percentile d comma c break. Next, case 3. C is equal to a into b printf percentile d c. Next, break. So next, what is case 4? Division, right? Case 4 division, that is c is equal to a by b, printf percentile d c, break. Now all the cases has been completed. Now if the user enters 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, any of this choice will be executed and it comes out of the switch statement. But if the user enters other choice apart from this 1, 2, 3, 4, then we are having another one called as default. In default, just I am printing a wrong statement. Please enter between 1 to 4 only. Like that I am entering some comment. So printf enter 1 to 4 only. I am entering and closing a switch statement and closing main. Right? So first it takes two values input and it displays on the screen what are all the available choices. Then from these choices user enters one of the option. If he enters which are present, that particular choice will be, that particular case will be executed. If he enters a wrong input, then it goes to the default and it prints enter 1 to 4 only. A comment will be displayed. Right. So this is all one small program. This program will work for integers. In the starting of the class, I told you that this choice variable must be integer or character only. Okay. So now we have seen with integer. Suppose with characters, what you will do, that is, here whenever I press 1, I give input as a 1, you are getting addition, 2 means subtraction, 3 means multiplication. But I don't want like this. I want in the way like, I want to plus, whenever I enter plus symbol, addition should be done. Whenever I enter minus symbol, subtraction should be done based upon the operator. Then what I have to do is, this ch, whatever this is there, the input I am giving it as a symbols. That's why this should be declared as a char. Some modifications in this program. Next, instead of percentile d, here I have to give percentile c, because for a character the format string is percentile c. Now instead of writing here 1, I should write the symbol called as plus. Don't write 1, in its place you write plus. Here minus, multiplication star, division slash. But if you write this plus minus like this, it will not work out, because a character constant has to be written in single quotes. So this plus has to be represented under single quotes, minus has to be represented as single quotes, star has to be represented, and a slash has to be represented under single quotes. And obviously these statements you will change. Instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, here you will keep plus, minus, star, slash. So this will work with characters. Okay. Now, as I told you that this choice should be of only integer or character only. Float and double does not work out. Because what do you mean by float? So a fractional value, that is 12.5, 12.345. So for 12.5 there are multiple options like 12.50, 12.5000, 12.4999. There is no single value. It may be called as round off value, floor or seal value. That's why we will eliminate different possibilities using float and double, and we use only integer or character as the constant or inputs that are accepted by the switch statement. Right? Hope you understood what do you mean by a switch statement under selection statement, which is under control statement. Right? Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share my videos. Thank you. Thank you very much.